riding in. That loud pops and bangs, good sir. That good pops and bangs, good sir.
I like your bike.
Thank you. Rough road? What do you mean rough road? I'm already on too rough of a road. But I don't believe so. This is just an Explorer. You think? Man, dude, my wheelie game is so lackluster today, at least so far. It was getting a little swervy there. Still chasing though. Bro, I chased that so hard. Like, what the fuck? That girl's cute. I gotta say. I wish I had my car though. I want to listen to music while I ride now. I don't even know where I'm going at this point. I'm just kind of trying to figure out how the hell to get to the general store. Because I'm meeting up with Rory again. Looking through the forks. I'm getting my wheelies up there. Just need to get comfortable keeping them there. Dude, I love how good I've been getting at wheelies. I'm not saying I'm good by any means. So people in the comments, don't you say that I am sucking at wheelies, because believe me, I know that. I mean, you can say it if you want to. You can say it if you want to, but all I'm saying is you're not necessarily proving a point. It's like, I know that I suck at wheelies. I know that I need to get better at them. I know that you can suck my balls. Oh. What? Turn. Oh shoot, which way is general store from here? Right? Oh no, it's not. I went the wrong way. This fucking just be like. Alright, well now we're out riding with Rory. We have found a fellow person to ride with. Ah! Let me some wheelies. Oh! Oh, look at that! Look at that Porsche! Go! Oh, hi, puppy! Hi! Oh my gosh, are you so beautiful? Oh my gosh, look at you! You're so adorable! I love you! I love you! Huh? Hell yeah! Wait, what? Did I turn down the wrong street? I turned down the wrong street. My gosh. Are you serious? I turned down the wrong street? Oh my gosh. Huh? What? Huh?
You wanted to go wheelie?
Ah. Ah. That was the most whippy wheelie ever. Dude, I just like getting to where I can like pop it up and hold it at balance point. That's like that's what I want to get to, and I'm getting really close. I feel like I'm gonna hit that this year. I mean, I might hit a car too, but who knows? No, it feels so nice to just ride with no face mask on. Or, I can't see saying face mask. I mean my visor. I want my visor up, face on. Oh my gosh, but look at that. It's such a beautiful, look at that sunrise, or that sunset. It's so beautiful. I just can't wait to get to the point where it's like this comfortable early in the morning and just go for early morning rides. I will do that. I will wake up at 5 a.m. to go for a ride before going to work. I would 100% do that. Where do we want to ride?
Huh?
Where do we want to ride?
I
probably can't be out crazy much longer.
Yeah.
Just 'cause I gotta get Dylan's dumbass because
That's
he
fair.
decided that he wanted to fucking walk to work.
Yeah, fair enough.
So I probably gotta start heading back that way. Like, one damn second he's calling me.
Oh, there he is.
Hello?
Alright, well, this vlog's kind of being abrupted a little bit it's gonna end a little bit abruptly. What the hell am I saying? Mostly because I need to... Oh gosh, what am I saying? I need to pop a wheelie first. Came down a little hard right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and head home. I'm tired. I worked all day, and then I'm gonna... I don't know. I'll see what's going on. I feel like doing something tonight. Whether that's go out and ride, go play pool, or play some video games. I'm gonna do something when I get home, because I want to do something. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you can see you next time I upload. And I will see you in the next video. God bless everybody.